Commodity block of currency by FutureTrend channel. Here we entered some long positions yesterday in the Australia and the New Zealand dollar, and also we still keep our short-term trade recommendation in the dollar Canada. That's because of yesterday's Federal Open Market Committee meeting, which was not so hawkish as the market was expected. As you know, the dot plot diagram showed us that the policymakers of the United States still predicts only 3 interest rate increases during the course of 2018 instead of initially expected by a majority of market participants 4 interest rate increases. That means that probably in the very short-term period of time the United States dollar should remain under the selling pressure, and probably that will mean that finally these currencies like Kiwi or Aussie will find a floor, and that will provide a possible consolidation and correction in the currencies. As regards the Australia dollar, we still keep our long trend recommendation and moved the stop to the entry level, and our target is very reasonable. At the moment it's a short-term downtrend line which lies around 78.75, so we are ready to cut our position on a possible retest of this line. As regards the New Zealand dollar, we also moved the stop to the entry level. As you can see, the pace again trades above moving average 200 daily line, and that means that the pair could continue its kind correction to the upside. As regards the dollar Canada, there is a combination of the bullish factors for the dollar Canada, for the Canadian currency. First of all, the NAFTA negotiation process a little bit smoothed at the moment, because the auto content of their agreement was finally removed by United States policymakers. Another factor is a much higher crude oil prices, which of course should bode well for the nearest future of the Canadian currency, and also the technical picture is not so bad for the Canadian currency, because we in the process of eroding a short-term uptrend, and that will mean that in the foreseeable future, during the course of today, probably we will retest the kind of next reliable support around 128. But don't forget that tomorrow we have very important data coming from Canada in the form of let's see, Friday, in the form of consumer price index and core retail sales. Anyway, we still suggest there could be some upside surprise, and that's for sure should also cement our view regarding the future downside potential of the currency. See you later. It was the FutureTrend channel with you.